This whole film is an impossible dream.
Am I here? Can I be here? Even though I was there when most of this was filmed, I still don't understand how it was done.
That's how he sees himself. He sees himself as a performing monkey.
The film is magic.
I was completely convinced that we could tell this story and get people to invest emotionally if Weta were going to come on board to work on the visual effects.
We usually do stunts and fights, and then we were thrown into dancing apes.
It's really just not how you would shoot a visual effects movie. Usually you try and make it as sterile and controllable in post as possible. And this was not that.
At the one end of the scale, you've got a photorealistic chimpanzee, and at the other end of the scale, you've got Robbie Williams. And where along that scale do we want to land?
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can!
It's truly an honour to be able to play Robbie Williams. I feel like I'm the first person alive that's performed in front of 20,000 people and doing performance capture.
To have Jono playing that role and giving us all that incredible powerhouse performance on set, we were just incredibly fortunate that we had both Jono and Weta.
1, 2, 3, 4!
It's sort of blending the skills that we have at Weta into this one character, and then taking it further because we've never done singing.
But when I rock the mic, I rock the mic.
We had to do a lot of motion studies there to sort of work out how you convincingly make all that sound and all that energy and all that breath come out of this CG character. It's not just moving the lips, so much more than that. It's the chest and the breathing and the posture and the strain in the eyes and brows and stuff. All that tells that these songs are emerging out of this character.
Weta Digital and all the artists there, I owe so much to. All of those people came together to make this happen. And that's what makes this so special.